My name's Jonathan. What's your name, man?
My name is Mo.
Mo?
Yeah.
Pleasure to see you, sir. Say stop anytime you'd like. A mentalist is basically somebody that uses their 5 known senses to create the appearance of having a 6th sense. Did I hear product?
Yeah.
Was that it?
Yeah.
So it's understanding that context of how people are understanding the world. So that works out in marketing, in business, in employee retention, just across the board. That's how people work. What I'd like you to do is to imagine that we are on opposite sides of the Grand Canyon. Then you're gonna try to shout that word to me from across the Grand Canyon, but only in your mind, not out loud. I firmly believe in the community that Nextdoor has been building. You start looking around and seeing all the resources that are available, and these are all free. Okay, there are amazing resources at your disposal if you'll just use them.